Back out here again, y'all. Looking at these trucks. A white woman look. I guess she want this. I don't know if y'all can see up in there or not, but I like it. It's a Highlander, that's what he said. It need to be washed, but it's a Highlander. Toyota. I like it. It's limited. And this is the front of it. Yeah, y'all make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, and comment on your boy. I'm finna get this Highlander for my wife. I guess that's what she want. But make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, like, and comment on your boy. Till next time, Callahan.